Chapter 5. Data Collection Techniques. In this chapter we will tackle the 3 frequently used data collection techniques: the questionnaire, the interview, and observation. But before that, let's define what is data collection. When we say data collection, process of gathering and measuring information on variables of interest in an established systematic fashion that enables one to answer stated research questions, test hypotheses, and evaluate outcomes. Without further ado, let's discuss the first data collection technique called questionnaire. Questionnaire consists of a series of questions for gathering information from respondents. Proper construction of the questionnaire is essential to its success. Types of question according to information need. 1. Factual questions. Questions used to ascertain such things as the respondent's age, gender, and so on. 2. Opinion and attitude questions. Questions intended to determine a person's ideas, inclinations, prejudices, convictions, and so on. 3. Information questions. Questions designed to measure the respondent's knowledge about some topic. 4. Self-perception questions. Questions quite similar to attitude questions, but restricted to one's opinions about himself or herself. 5. Standards of action questions. Questions used to determine how respondents would act in certain circumstances. 6. Questions about actual past or present behavior. Questions that potentially fall within some of the categories of questions already identified, but tend to be narrower in that they focus on behavior. 7. Projective questions. Questions that allow respondents to answer questions indirectly by imposing their personal beliefs, attitudes, and so on onto others. Types of questions according to form. There are 2 basic types of questions: open-ended questions and fixed addressments questions. Open-ended, or unstructured questions, as the name indicates, are designed to permit free responses from participants rather than ones limited to specific alternatives. Fixed response or structured questions, also known as closed questions, limit the responses of the participant to stated alternatives. The possible response may range from a simple yes or no. Distribution of questionnaire. Mail questionnaire, electronic questionnaire, interview help you build a better understanding of the thinking behind the respondent's answer. Observation, a very quick and effective way of collecting data with minimal intrusion. Structured observation. Structured observation is a more formal technique, often used in quantitative studies in order to provide systematic description or to test causal hypotheses.